The Honorable Prime Minister is being welcomed by the Honorable Union Minister of State for Textiles and by the Secretary, Ministry of Textiles. The Honorable Prime Minister would now be proceeding to the exhibition hall, a special exhibition which has been raised up for this occasion at the Senate Hall of the University of Madras. We also extend a very hearty welcome to His Excellency the Governor of Tamil Nadu, and we extend a very hearty welcome to the Union Ministers and the Government of Tamil Nadu Ministers. தேசிய கைத்தறி தின விழாவில் பங்கு பெறுவதற்காக சென்னை பல்கலைக்கழக வளாகத்திற்கு வருகை புரிந்திருக்கக்கூடிய மாண்புமிகு பாரத பிரதமர் அவர்கள் சென்னை பல்கலைக்கழக செனட் அரங்கத்தில் பிரத்யேகமாக அமைக்கப்பட்டுள்ள கைத்தறி பொருட்காட்சியினை தற்போது பார்வையிடுகிறார்கள். The handloom tradition is in fact the tradition of this country, and this exhibition draws from far and wide the length and breadth of this nation. The Ikkats of India. The Honorable Prime Minister is presently at a stall which boasts of the long Ikkat tradition of this country. The cotton handloom tradition of India is almost universal throughout the country. However, no matter how small or ordinary a weave may seem to an external viewer, it has its own distinctive quality and character. In Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, we have the patterned pallu, and the distinct mark of this patterned pallu and the kaithari weave here is the korvai. In Andhra Pradesh, we have the kosavu podava, and a similar tradition runs through the country, the Banarasi pattern of Uttar Pradesh, the Chanderi in Madhya Pradesh, the Venkatagiri in Andhra Pradesh, all of whom have simple motifs, geometrical patterns, and a fabulous look. And there the stall which exhibits the tanchoy The Tanchoy is a special quality weaving technique that belongs to the Varanasi school. The Tanchoy involves a single or a double warp and 2 to 5 colors on the weft, and these colors are usually of the same shade on a silk fabric. The Honorable Prime Minister is presently viewing the Tanchoy stall. One of the standalone features of the Tanchoy fabric is that the texture has a satin finish, and to give it a look of embroidery, certain extra threads are added. The Maheshwari sari of Madhya Pradesh is a speciality by itself. It has an unusual origin, for it is traced to a benevolent queen who once ruled this area and designed the first Maheshwari sari. The speciality of Maheshwari is that it can be worn from either side because it has a reversible border. The Honorable Prime Minister now viewing the section on shawls. కన్యాకుమారి నుంచి కాశ్మీర్ వరకు వ్యాపించిన మన మాతృభూమి మన చెయ్యినెంట వస్త్రాలే ఇన్నాళ్ళగా అంతరిలో కలిసి మనలో వ్యాపింది. మన భూమితోని సంస్కృతి పారంపర్యం ఇవ శర్వంగత మన దేశంలోని జాతి మతం భాష భోజనంలో కలపడి ఉంది. అది మాత్రం కాదు, మన దేశాన్ని కలిపే ముఖ్యమైన వస్తువు మనం అందరూ ధరించితే వస్త్రం. వస్త్రం అంటే ఏదో వస్త్రం కాదు, చెయ్యినెట్ట వస్త్రాలు. The Honorable Prime Minister now viewing a dhari and expressing his wishes to the weaver who had been involved in the production of this dhari, which has the image of the Father of Nation alongside the images of the forefathers of this country. The national tricolor resplendently glowing, and the Honorable Prime Minister expresses his joy. In a short while, the Honorable Prime Minister would arrive at this dais to be part of the formal launch of the National Handloom Day. And ladies and gentlemen, we once again remind you, several thousands of people and weavers are linked with us by video conferencing, and there you see them, the weaver service centers at Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Srinagar, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Bhopal, Varanasi and Guwahati.